Welcome to Sharpnack Ford, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with leather-wrapped steering wheel, hybrid electric motor, smart device remote engine start, voice-activated dual-zone front automatic air conditioning, Bluetooth smartphone integration, parking sensors, dual-stage driver and passenger seat mounted side airbags, steering wheel controls, streaming audio, mini overhead console with storage, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1992, family-owned Sharpnack Ford has been proudly serving our friends and neighbors. We treat our customers like family, and every salesperson puts the customer first before everything else. It is the Sharpnack promise to be straightforward, to never pressure anyone, and to keep all promises made. So come see us today. We're located at 1200 South Conwell Avenue. Sharpnack Ford, we're here for you.